open new movie, select a movie, create. Okay, here when you just load, it show you
settings for the film. So we have like here story creator. If you don't have a story, an AI will generate for you the story and will break down all in the shots. Or you just upload your script, so which I will do.
And here on the master, we have all our AI generators, so we can select our default AI generators for the image generation, for the video generation, for image to image. We can have this also.
Then we have,
this is Pro version, which is Nano Banana 2 and other generators. And then you have like Fairy Fall AI and Cry AI. So here you can select other models. As you can see, we have different GPT, Nano Banana, and we have flukes, image upscalers. So we can select for image upscale like this one. And then we have to go here, select for video upscale, this one. And then we have another provider, which if you want, you can use. And here is also, see, there's a lot of image generators like CDance and others. We have also Topaz image of scanner. So let's go here then. Select the style. So I will click to select the style. Just a sec.
okay.
Okay, so it's loading our styles. We have a lot of different visual styles. And let's create this one, the classic cartoon one. You can do anything like here's like cinematic ones and for all the films.
And
for the cartoon, for the books, whatever you want. So there's a lot of them. So let's generate. So we select the cartoon one, okay. Okay. I will just now click Analyze My Script. Okay, so then it just generate. Let's put it here so it will not. Okay, we have like 2 characters and the location. So I will just script and generate first character. Let's say on. Okay. We do the second character. Okay, this is very gentle. Okay, so you can see it's perfect. Then what we have to do is now generate the story, which I will click breakdown into sentences. Okay. We can then, okay, here are the center. And then we generate shots. And as you can see, it's attached already the characters. So when we come here, okay, for example, here, they're like both of them. Let's say we want to generate this image. So I come here, click and generate. Okay, so we fry up, well, it's kind of, okay, so then what I will do is generate another image. I will show you different image. So this one is, okay, for example, this one, I will click here and then I will do like grid, like 2 of 2. So this one will generate like 1 grid with 4 images. Okay, you can see this is our character. And what it generate also for extraction, extra images. We will do this arrange. If I click here, you will see it's okay. So now what I will do, I will try to extract all this one by one. So I will click here and then generate. And let's see if it can extract the shot. All right, it generated another one, so which is fine. I think I clicked something wrong. Let's see. Wrong, because I have this. Oh, that was my, so I have a single image. So this one, extract. Yeah, that was my error. So we can remove this once. Okay, so it generate the second one, so probably this one. Here, this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is the 4. So I will go here, generate here. Okay, same point. Okay. Generate. And let's see, this one is the obscure option. Okay, third one, which is correct.
And
I think we put it in the wrong order, so let me do this again. Okay. So you can see it like this, and then you can upscale these images, getting better quality, like for example here. Let me see which upscaler it's using. It's using image upscaler. And we can use whatever we want from here. So let's use this one just to see if it's working. And okay, so Upscale is working also very nice. So in this case, you can do like a disconnect. So this is, let's say, this is the video you have, or you just can add a node here, like create a video node and connect your upscaling here.
And
copy this.
From run.
And then go to your and type what you want to create for the video. So this will work like this. And if not, you can do this. Let me see just a second. So then I click here, run. This way, okay. And again, copy this here. And then generate your video. Okay, so once you finish all this, you will get your movie done. It's usually doing automatically, but I don't advise you to do it automatically because of, let's say, just a second. So okay, so we have all this created now. And if I come here and click run all workflow automatically, it will start generating all automatically. But I prefer to do manually one by one, so I know what I'm doing. And if there is an error, I will just redo it. So don't spend extra tokens here. But you can see it's working, so you can do your movie easily here. And that's it. So then you can send all this to send to video editor. So here we have a video editor. For example, I go here, I click open video editor, and then I can just click here, arrange your shorts here, or also can you click here and animate, like image to video. Again, same way, here's your image to video and just make animation. So that's where you can finish your video and then export, generate your file, select your type of video you want to create, and get your final video without using any CapCut or any kind of video editors. So that's it for today. And also if you don't use this one, we have different type of tools, which is like Cineprompt, Senior Director. We have also Storyboard Studio. This one is generating kind of a different way. Again, you have like all these settings here. And for example, just a second. So I came here and I will find one like this one. Let me see. So you see it's selecting and generating like this. And then the stories. So when it's finished the stories, you send them to production, each of these images, and here you generate your videos. See? And then again, render video the same way and just generate your video. Okay, so this is it for now. This is a small tutorial how to use Gumvue Studio. and you just have to try and see how is it. And remember that we have a lot of other tools here, so you can test them. And we have also a community page, which is discovery, so you can find prompts, different creations of different users, and like and follow each other. And that's it.